Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is Devi, and you guys, I'm bringing you an update on my TRONCASE account. So I promised to document my journey in TRONCASE, and so far 2 days ago I was on day number 7 and I had earned 3,716 Tron. So guys, and today is day number 9. I jump a day. If I do today, I jump a day, then I come back the following day. So today is day number 9, and I want to show you guys how my account is doing. This is the TRONCASE website, as you can see guys, and so far 874 million has been contributed to the contract, and I'm so far earning 2.5% per day, and there are 174,809 participants who are earning passive income from this smart contract at the moment. So it is not, for those of you who have not yet joined, it is not too late to join. Join the platform and you earn from 2.2% up to 2.5% per day on your deposited Tron without doing any hard work. Just deposit the money, leave it to earn for you 2.5% a day, and then you can collect your daily earnings every day if at all you want. So me, actually I'm leaving it there. So let me show you my personal account. This is my account. I'm earning 2.5% with all these bonuses, and I've so far managed to make 5,027 Tron from my deposit of 25,000 Tron, which I did 9 days ago. So guys, this is my I've managed in these 9 days. I've managed to recruit a few people, just 14 members, and this one of some people in the 14 members I've recruited. That's why I have 2 in my level 2 downline here, and I've been rewarded with 953 Tron, which is also not bad if we are to put it here. 953, which is $62. So the good thing about this, when you share the program with people and they're interested, you also get rewarded from your efforts. So I've got $62 from sharing my links to people who are interested in investing, and they have invested and I've been rewarded. So this is my passive income. I've not made any withdrawal at all. This is what comes from my deposit of 25,000 Tron, and it is 5027. Let us see, 5027, and it is 327 Tron that I've managed to accumulate in terms of passive income from my deposit that I made in the platform. So guys, if we look at the contract, it failed a bit. People are investing. Whenever you say zero, these are withdrawals. These are investments, new investments, and the contract has so far 51 million Tron. It fell from 80 million, and some people started to panic, but there was no need of panicking. This normally happens at the end of the month. That's what I've heard for people who have been in the smart contract. Normally at the end of the month, people take out money to cater for their bills, electricity, water, and also to do some shopping for some household items. So when I heard that, I didn't panic like how some people panic, and I'm well to go. So guys, this was my day 7, and I was at 3,716. Now I'm at 5,028 Tron as we are speaking in this video. So guys, that's it. I've managed to accumulate 327 US dollars in terms of passive income from the investment that I did in the smart contracts. So for those of you who are interested, I'm gonna leave my link in the description of the video. Feel free to check it out, and you can also contact me in my social media handles. I'm going to leave them also down, and see how you can roll in this smart contract. So if you look at the Telegram channel, the official Telegram channel, it is having 13,000 members, and they post all updates here. So I also emphasize you to join it so that you can keep updated on what's happening in the smart contracts. So they celebrated 870 million TRX contributed to the smart contract. And also this platform, it has got an external income sources where it gets some money. They have got coinswap.space. It is an exchange program where you can swap crypto, you can stake crypto, and when they get their fees, they take part of it and they put back into the contract. So this is the update. They managed to put 91,754 TRX as the daily contribution. As you can see here, 91,752 TRX of the daily contract balance support has been sent from the external wallet to the contract balance wallet of TRONCASE. So if we are to check this hash, let us prove it. Let's prove it and check whether they are saying is true. So as you can see, this is the contract address of TRONCASE, and it is true. These guys made a deposit of 91,753 TRX into the platform. So guys, that is TRONCASE. This program is wonderful. That's why I'm documenting it, and I will emphasize you guys to join it. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.